Meaning of data warehouse.
Data warehouse.
Data warehouse.
Data warehouse.
Data warehouse. A data warehouse is a large and centralized repository of data that is used by organizations to store, manage, and analyze their data. It allows companies to consolidate data from multiple sources and analyze it in a way that makes it easier to identify trends and insights. Data warehouses are tailored to support business intelligence and decision-making processes. They enable organizations to make more informed decisions based on historical data analysis and forecasting. Overall, a data warehouse provides organizations with a powerful tool to gain a deeper understanding of their data and make data-driven decisions.